Top 5 apps like Glyco Sync blood support reviews that actually work today. If you're looking to support healthy blood sugar levels, you won't believe what happens next. There are apps that help you track, manage, and improve your blood health safely. Most people get this wrong, thinking supplements alone are enough, but combining monitoring with the right tools works best. First up is Misager. This app tracks blood sugar, meals, and insulin doses. Its user-friendly interface makes logging readings easy, and it generates reports you can share with your doctor. Second is Glucose Buddy. Glucose Buddy helps track glucose levels, carb intake, and medication. You can set reminders and alerts for readings, which studies show improves consistency and control. Number 3 is One Drop. This app connects to compatible meters and continuous glucose monitors. It also includes coaching and educational content to improve daily management. Fourth is Diabetes M. Diabetes M tracks blood sugar, meals, activity, and medications. Its advanced analytics help identify patterns and trends for better management decisions. Finally, Glyco. Glyco syncs data from multiple devices, including glucometers, fitness trackers, and smart scales. The app provides charts and insights that help improve overall blood sugar control. In conclusion, while Glyco Sync may help support blood sugar, these 5 apps provide real tracking, insights, and management tools that are clinically proven to make a difference. Using them daily can empower you to take control of your health safely and effectively.